what the actual fuck is happening with the tensions between India and Pakistan? After the fucking attacks in Kashmir, people are now fucking speculating if India might stop the river water from flowing into Pakistan. India is now fucking threatening to suspend the decades-old Indus Water Treaty, which was a fucking agreement that governs water sharing between the two nations. This shit fucking means that if Pakistan loses the river flows, over 80% of the country agriculture gets fucked in the ass. Because Pakistan's entire fucking food system depends on the fucking Indus Basin, and without that damn river, they are so fucked. Anyways, follow reporter Roger and like for more news and updates.